Hi, I'm Joey Mangano, CEO of Air Care Heating and Cooling. We are a full-service HVAC company that provides residential and commercial service and installations. One of the biggest differences from us to a lot of other HVAC companies is we don't just go to a customer's house and swap their old equipment for a new one. We take our time and make sure everything is done correctly and design it appropriately for that house. One way that we ensure quality for our company is a lot of training. We consistently train our guys. The HVAC industry is constantly changing, and you need a company who keeps up with the changes. We are also ACA accredited, which is an organization that creates the guidelines for HVAC contractors to make sure that we are doing it per specs. One cool story that we do have is we had one client who came to us, and a lot of other companies talked about replacing equipment to try to make it more efficient. When we diagnosed the issue, we actually noticed that it was not the equipment, it was actually the ductwork that was the issue. So we went in there, we solved the issue, replaced all the ductwork, and saved the clients hundreds of dollars a month. The reason why you should choose us for your HVAC needs is we're honest. We train all of our staff, so you always make sure that you're getting an expert out at the home, and we take pride in all of our jobs. One way that we try to ease our concerns of our clients is we always send experts. We're not sending salespeople to your home. We have flat rate pricing, so the technician does not make up pricing himself, and we have fair, honest pricing. If you're looking for a good, honest HVAC company, please give us a call, Air Care Heating and Cooling.